6 o'clock.
Police searching for suspects this morning in Omaha's latest homicide.
The double shooting, one man dead, another injured near 41st and Ames just before 5:30 Tuesday evening. Medics took 31-year-old Willie Hill to the hospital where he died. Police say 28-year-old Xavier Goodis was taken to the hospital in a private vehicle with serious injuries. He is expected to survive.
As KETV News Watch 7's Natalie Glucklich reports, the shooting raised new concerns for those living nearby.
Watching police lights from her porch near 41st and Ames, Sarah Davis says this is not the neighborhood she once knew.
It was a quiet neighborhood when I moved here.
40 years later, and Davis says she's often scared to leave her house. Tuesday evening, no exception. Davis heard gunfire around 5:30.
Like pow, 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 pow. And I said, oh my goodness, somebody's dead.
Sadly, Davis is right. Evidence markers on 41st show where police found a wounded man lying in the street. He died at the hospital. Gunfire also hit another man who will survive.
I do not know if they were shot from a vehicle or if they were inside a vehicle or on the street or if they were shot from a vehicle.
Police are looking for a white sedan seen leaving the scene, and Davis wishes she could leave the neighborhood.
As the sign says, enough is enough. I just hope that whatever is going on, that it comes to an end soon.
That's Natalie Glucklich reporting. Now, police are looking for a cream or silver-colored sedan. It was leaving the 41st and Ames area around the time of the shooting.
If you have any information, call the Homicide Unit 402-444-5656 or Crime Stoppers at 402-444-STOP.